Hello my dear students, welcome back to another exciting session. Now today I'm going to share with you a simple trick of multiplying any number by 11 and getting the answer in just a single step without actually doing any multiplication. So it sounds interesting, right? So let's begin. So this is a traditional way of finding out the product of any number with 11. So now let us see how you can apply the trick. Now the trick to multiply any number with 11, first step, just write down these two numbers at the ends. And the second step is just you need to add them. So 2 plus 3, 5. Next, 5, 1. So 5, 1. Add them. 6. 4, 3. This 4, 3. Add them. 7. This one is for you. Let's see a few more examples where the addition of these two numbers gives you a double digit. So 8, 3, I'll be writing down it as it is. Now 8 plus 3 is 11. So how will you write down this one and this one carry forward? So here this final answer is 9, 1, 3. Again 5 plus 9 is 14. So I'll write down 5, 9 as it is and 14. I'll write down 4 over here, 1 carry. So this becomes 6, 4, 9. 74 into 11. So I'll write down 7 and 4 as it is. 7 plus 4 is 11. So again this 1 carry and this gives you 8, 1, 4. And this sum is for you. Now consider solving these examples. So 1, 3, 1, 3. Now we'll just add 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 4, 12. And 4 plus 1, 5. So the final answer is 1, 6, 3, 1, 3. Now the next 5, 9. So add 9 plus 3, 12. So this 1 will be carry forward. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. So your final answer is 5, 7, 6, 2, 9. 6, 4. You will be writing it. 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 3, 8, 3 plus 6, 9. Now this 4 and 8, you will be writing 4 and 8. So 8 plus 7, 15. So 1, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So now you just need to add it. So you will be getting 8, 5, 3, 0 and 5. Now in many sums you have to multiply the numbers with the pi values, that is 22 by 7. So in the numerator you have 22. So there you can use the trick that we learned just now. So let us see a few examples how you can use it. 23 into 22. So can I write down this 22 as 2 into 11? So this 23 into 2 becomes 46 into 11. And now you have already learnt the technique, that is 4 and 6 can be written as it is. 6 plus 4 is 10. So you'll be writing down 0 and 1 carry. So the final answer that you get is 506. Now 19 into 22. So can I write down this as 2 into 11 again? So this becomes 38 into 11. So this 38 can be written as this is 3, this is 8. So 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1. So this becomes 4, 1, 8. So again 42, 2, this can be written as 2 into 11. So 42 into 2, that is 84 into 11. So 84 into 11, how will you solve it? So this will be 8, this is 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So carry 1. So the final answer is 924. 34 into 2. So again this 2 into 11. So 34 into 2, 68 into 11. So this gives you 6. This is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So carry 1. So this is 7, 4 and 8. Now, so that's all for today. And keep practicing these tricks so that your calculations will become faster. So thank you for watching. Keep smiling and keep growing.